Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick review of using AI. The Kling is a website that can be used to generate AI script, automated voiceover, and also to comes with one-click design that you can use to design your videos. So if you want to create a stunning videos in 1 minute with Kling leverage the power of AI to generate scripts, voiceover, and virtual effortless is all in this website. You can use this website to do a whole lot of that, starting from the amazing tools, which is the AI image, the AI videos, get all the images to create an effortless AI videos that can be used in all platforms. So what is Kling? However, Kling simply means an artificial intelligence to help you make video quickly. So that's what it's all about. So that's what this website is all about. It's just an artificial intelligence to help you make a quick video. So if you're a content creator or you're running a faceless channel and you want to make a video, you want to make a quick video about a specific content, this website is for you. With the help of the artificial intelligence that is present in this website, which is the AI, you can generate any video of choice, be it image, videos, or even with effect. So things help you with everything from writing script and also finding a visual. So you don't need any fancy editing skills. Kling makes it easy for anyone to create a professional looking, a good looking video. So if you have nothing to worry about, Kling has you covered. So if you're using Kling as a website and also for a video generator or image generator or AI script writer, yeah, the key benefit things that you understand to gain using this website. One of the benefits is get access to AI script generator. So with AI can write your video script for you in a second. No more writing blocks, just for you to get that done. Then you also get access to automated voiceover. So you need a voiceover. Kling offers a realistic AI voice in 25 plus language. So you get access to multiple language, different type of languages, about 30 or so like that. Then also get access to a one-click design which help you choose from a library of stunning template and customize them with a single click. So right here you can also use a one-click design, which is a template that can be customized to your own needs, to what's best conducive for you. Then from there start from there, and also get access to speed and efficiency. You can create a 1 minute video in under 10 minutes. Now imagine if you can create a 1 minute video with all the best look, all the best qualities in just 10 minutes. So it shows that the website actually offers a very high quality speed, which is we can be super cool. And here are what you stand to gain, which is the pros and the cons of this website, of the Kling website. One of the pros of this website is that it is super easy to use, which is most beautiful thing. You don't need to have the special skills before you can use this website. You don't have to. It's very easy to use with a very simple and straightforward interface, very intuitive, and also it has an AI script writing in a game changer, which is a game changer. It's a game changer. The AI script writing is a game changer. Compare it with you, and also get access to stock library, which is very huge. Stock library where you can have access to the various type of template that can be used and can also be edited, and also get access to customer support, which is very fantastic. And one of the cons of this, which is the condition, like, which is that's a limited option. have access to limited options for fine and grain editing. Get access to also task limited customization option and organization glitch with the AI, which is really cool. So talking about the pricing for this website, actually the pricing is not listed on their own page. So for you to get the pricing plan for their website, you have to sign up, and also you can also click on the upgrade plan from here. Click on the upgrade plan, and from there you can simply get access to their plan. Because now aside from here, they offer free plan, which can pay yearly plan and a monthly plan. They are both come with a discount. So if you want to subscribe for yearly plan, then there's about 30% free from the amount of money you're going to pay for each plan. Then on a monthly basis, pay minus 12% discount is being removed from the amount of money you're going to pay through your card. So you also offer a free under a year subscription. You offer just a free trial or a free basic that allows you to use, which is free forever. You can use this, but it has a limited option. You can simply get credit monthly by logging in, and also try member only features monthly by logging in. Then on the standard level, then you pay about $79.2. Now it also comes with 660 credit per month with $1 per 100 cents. You also get access to full track generation, professional mode for videos, watermark remover, master shot, and video extension with image scaling. Then on the pro aspect, you will pay nothing less than $203.04. Then there's a discount as well. Then after that, they can simply subscribe for a yearly pro. Then you get access to 3,000 credit per month with fast track generation, professional mode for videos, watermark remover, master shot, and video extension with image scaling and priority access. 2 new features. Then on the premium, you pay nothing less than $728 for $64, which also has 34% off. You get access to 8,000 credits per month. Then under that, you have the first track generation, the professional mode for videos, the watermark remover, the master shot, and the video extension with image scaling and priority access to view features. So all these features listed are here have been allocated to each of every of this plan, and this will definitely help you achieve your goals in creating an AI video with a voiceover or a AI script writer, or other tools and features that is present on this site.